Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Vedant, Mishita. Who else? Dhruvansh. Am I audible? Who else? Kanak,
Yes, sir.
Jia. Everyone, very good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So guys, some of you missed last week classes. What happened? Somebody was saying that you were sleeping. Is it? You missed last week classes or not? Mishita? Vedant? Why? Why you people missed last classes? Few people were there, few were not there.
I had another class that went over the other class because it was 1 hour after.
Okay. And others? And one more thing, okay. How many people have started seeing the videos of missed classes or even not missed classes just to revise? Have you started seeing videos? Nice.
I can't get the videos. It's not letting me.
Because you're not accepted the
Like,
invitation yet, Mishita.
oh, I have, but
No.
it says it expired.
No. I tell you what happened. You get expired message only when you already accepted it. So like suppose you accept it first, it will not show you that accepted. The YouTube works like that. So again you try to click it, it will say expire. So now what you have to do now is, don't do anything on the invitation now. If you accepted it, just go to the PDF I have sent with the course link, right? You have to go to PDF and then click on the course link. You get the videos, okay? You will not get on my channel, okay? Which is a try. If you don't get it, message me. Okay, and everyone should do it. Kanak, you also have to accept the invitation. I am saying it's still pending for blog, okay? And if you don't able to access it, say just message me again and I am going to guide you. Yes, Jia.
I won't be here next week, Saturday and Sunday, because I would be on the plane. I'm coming to India, so.
You're coming to my house, my city, or what?
No, I'm going to Gujarat, Surat.
Surat you're going?
Yeah, so I would be on the plane.
Okay.
Yeah. So I won't be here next
Saturday. We will miss you,
Sunday.
Jia. So if you get whenever you get a chance, join. Otherwise, you can watch the video. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
And
welcome back to Gujarat. Welcome back to India. How many months you will be here?
2 months.
Good. 2 months. What will Jia do in 2 months?
I have to do my school homework and stuff. So.
Perfect. So you can watch. You can still join the classes from the Surat, right?
Yes.
It will timing will be good for you. 3 p.m. India time.
Yeah.
Good. And what else? You were saying something. I interrupted you.
I'm not sure about. Maybe I might come tomorrow. I'm not sure yet because we have to do all the.
Okay, try. You can also try. You can try from the aeroplane if they allow you the internet.
Okay.
If they allow you the internet. Perfect.
Yeah.
So welcome. So let's start. And who else joined? Naja. Naja, welcome. Good. So guys, now we are today's what? 20th class. We have few classes remaining, 5 more classes, and we are only in the last set of our. We are moving to the last set of our whole big syllabus, right? We have done percentage, we have done ratio proportion. Today we are going to start the statistics. Very easy, very easy, very important. It's a very easy topic. Okay, Naja? Naja, all good? Superb. You can unmute, Naja. So,
sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, I won't be able to attend next Saturday's class.
Array, what happened to Naja again?
My class trip is cancelled.
So guys, try it because this I put it 3 p.m. You know, a lot of people wanted me to 2 p.m. but then I went at 3 p.m. because a lot of schools finishes at 2:30. So I kept it 3 p.m. No, I don't want to keep it late because Kanak will say, "Oh, sir, it's late night for me." So I kept it 3 p.m. Kanak. Otherwise, I wanted to keep it 4 also. But then people in Australia is late evening, right? So that's why 3 p.m. was the most appropriate time for accommodate people from Australia, US, Canada, and India. Sure, Naja, let's try best whatever you can attend. Otherwise, watch video. Now today we are going to start with, okay, what you will guess? You have seen all my syllabus, right? Any ideas what you will do today? Did I told you all the name or not? No, right? Zuans, what the guess? What we are going to do today? From today,
Uh,
next 3-4 classes.
Sir, statistics.
Statistics. Did you remember that? Did you guess it, Dhruvaj, or you have seen my syllabus? Tell me, honestly.
Sir, you said it like 5 minutes ago.
I said the statistics already?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, I forgot my whole word. See, Ruchita is laughing loud. Jia is laughing. Statistics, perfect. So, who will define in your own words, not the book's definition? What is statistics? Why is statistics? Tell me. Kanak, you also come on screen if possible. What is statistics? अरे कोई तो बताओ. Najha, Nishita, Jia, Vedant.
Maybe it's like when you like collect data or from like I'm not
Okay.
sure. I've never heard of it, but
Okay, so never heard of. Okay, Kanak is saying eating leader. Enjoy your dinner, Kanak. Invite me also if you're eating something very. What should I call? What do you call the word like this? Something very
delicious.
delicious. Kanak, is it delicious? Okay. So, what is statistics? Anyone else? Naja? पढ़ाई कभी statistics? No. Nishita?
I was gonna say something similar.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
no,
So Kanak is saying possibility, data. Okay. Jia, what is your idea? Have you heard the word statistics?
I never heard of the word, but the word maybe it's like related to, I don't know. I can't think of it. I
I'll tell
never
you.
heard.
It's all about. Naja says, I know it's something related to data. Yes. So let me explain you what is data, what is information. But yes. So Jia, statistics means it's all about when we deal with numbers and try to analyze and find something. Statistics. Like for example, Vedant says, sir, I am just analyzing how much Virat Kohli scored in last 10 matches, how much Rohit scored in 10 matches, the runs. All those numbers, when you try to analyze and all. It is what dealing with numbers and analysis is statistics, right? So one question I'm going to ask you, which some of you know, but I want to know who know very clear differentiation between, like a lot of you are saying, right, very happily, Naja is saying, Kanak is saying data. What is data? And what is information? And what is the difference? And what is the relationship between data and information? Jia put her hand very nicely. Tell me, Jia.
Okay, I know that data is when like you collect numbers of a thing. So let's say a data of how many people like ice cream. So like a
Oh, you like ice cream, Jia?
yes.
No, I'll show you something. You will all laugh, okay? Then let me show you because just sorry for interruption. Now I'll show you something. Okay, one more thing, none of you asked the homework, so I never sent it, okay? But can you read this question number 218? It is how a coincidence.
If Mishita
218.
Oh, if Shia ate 20 ice cream.
See, what a coincidence, guys. When I prepared the question, I also write about ice cream out Gia, and Gia also say ice cream. See the coincidence, na guys. Gia, it's a coincidence, right? I just thought Gia live asking. Okay, please continue.
So let's say a data of ice cream, like how many people like this flavored ice cream, or let's say a data of, I don't know, like it's basically collecting like number of things people like, and
Okay.
it becomes like data. And then, yeah, that's what I know about data.
Okay. Who else? What is data? What is information? Okay, I'll make one statement. Let's see how many you agree and how many you don't agree. Mishita. So Mishita, no one got the homework. You know why? Can you unmute?
yeah,
You know why no one got the homework?
no.
Because I not sent the homework.
Oh,
So please ask me why I not sent the homework.
why?
Because nobody asked for it. I prepared the homework, kept it. Nobody is interested. Then why should I? So I not send. I kept it. I showed the homework just now, right? And this time I prepared homework with all your names. Vedant's name, Dhruvan's name, Nikita's name, Naza's name, Jia's name, Kanak's name. Nobody asked for it, I not sent it. See, I always believe it should be student who should ask for homework. That is my strong belief. Correct? So nobody asked for it, so I never sent it. You know, you got the indirect message, guys, what I'm trying to say?
Sir, can we have the homework?
I'll send the homework, okay? Please ask for homework. It's your right, it's your responsibility, okay? So I'm going to send the homework, but are you not getting, tell me, Mishita, did you get the reminder message of this class today?
Yeah.
So then you'll get the homework also. Same message, same broadcast, okay? So please ask me the homework, guys. After the class, in next 2 or 3 or 4 days, I'll send the homework. If not, you can ask me. So let's come back to what is data, what is information. A lot of people are saying data is the database. I'll make one statement. Tell me how many of you agree, how many disagree, and how many understand meaning. If I say data is useless and information is useful, do you agree? Do you not agree? Don't you agree, or you don't, or you have any other ideas, or what is the meaning of this statement? I believe that data is useless, information is useful. Tell me, Vedant, Dhruvanj, Kanak, Jia, anyone. Mishita, don't control your you want to laugh, you can laugh it loud. No. He was controlling very hard. So data is just information simplified. Okay, Kanak, who else? Today is like, look, a fun class, right? We are just doing a lot of leg pulling. So data, information. When I say data is useless, but information is useful. Who else? Who else will explain me? Zia. Any idea? Shiva, you were telling some ice cream, right? So, I'll write on the whiteboard also, but first I want to talk to you face to face. It gives me so much happiness, okay? So, if I just say, suppose if I say Mishita, okay, just listen guys, okay? So, I'll tell about Mishita, some story about Mishita, okay? So, if suppose Mishita says, sir, in my school exam, I scored out of, say, 20, I scored in last 20 tests, 11, 14, 0, 13, 20, 19, 16, 13, 15, this. What I'm saying is, suppose Mishita tells, sir, in my last 20 tests, I scored 10, 3, 0, 9, 11, 19, 16, 13, 14, 12. What is the info? What is use? What is it? You don't get anything about it, right? Just numbers, right? You lot of numbers, but there's nothing information or nothing useful thing you get out of it, right? Because just the raw numbers. But when you process it, so what is score she told, she tried to find out some average, some highest, some lowest, some trend, then become information. Then we can say, oh, on an average, Mishita scores 15 out of 20 on an average. Oh, the highest score of Mishita in last 20 tests is 19. Or if we say, oh, lowest score Mishita is 0 because she was just writing some stories. Okay. So, know what I have done? Using the data, I have analyzed it and made it into information. So the difference between data and information is this. Data is useless, information is useful. Ask Mishita. And
So,
sorry, I just said 0. Okay, doesn't mean that. Tell me.
So do you mean like the median, the mode, and the...
We will come to that today. Yes.
Okay.
You are right. So, what is information? Information is processed data, analyzed data. Data is just the raw numbers. Got it, Dhruvansh? Data is just the raw numbers. For example, I'll give you the same thing now on whiteboard. What is data? What is information? Statistic is all about this. Data. If I say Virat Kohli scored in last few matches like this, 13, 76, 35, 48, 99, 3, 11, 33, 88, 2, something, No, all the numbers are there. But what is the value? Is there any value? You can't take any decision. You can't get what is happening. Is playing good or bad. You don't know the analysis. You don't know the trend, right? Correct or not? You agree? You agree, Naja, and everyone? But the moment if I say after analyzing, no, I'm not analyzing, but after analysis, we say highest score is 99, lowest is 0, average is, though I'm not finding average here, just give random. Average is 65. Trend is scores are increasing or decreasing, whatever. Okay, I'm just giving some idea. Now, what is all this? This is information. So tell me, Naja, which is more important? Which is more useful, data or information? Yes, Jia. Yes, Naja, information. Jia, you want to say something or ask something? Tell me, Jia.
This would be like mean medium mode, right?
That will come to that. I have not used the word mean medium mode yet. I am saying data is raw numbers, right? Just raw numbers. Information is processed data. We'll come to mean median. I have not said yet. But what I'm trying to explain to all of you till now is what is data, what is information. Now, how many understood this? The difference, clear difference between data and information. Understood. Correct? Anybody want to give me any other ideas or anybody explanation of same thing? Feel free. Who will rephrase it? Mishita want to rephrase it? Or who want to explain? Mishita is it. Mishita explains very nicely always. Data and information. That's why I said data is useless, information is useful. So what is statistics? Statistics is all about collecting data, classifying data, analyzing data, and taking decisions on data. Means information. That is what statistics is about. So now tell me, what is statistics? Who will define now? I defined in a very subjective way. What is statistics? How much you understand? What is statistics? Tell me, Dhuvansh.
So it's like a set of data which is represented in the graphical
Way, tabulated form, or whichever form. Correct? So when we say statistics, it's all about collecting data, classifying it, analyze or presenting it, analyzing it, and decisions. Statistics deals with all of this. Cool. Vedant camera is not working and Kianak is eating dinner. So once both the problems are solved, they will be on screen. We'll continue to them. So now, Kanak and Vedant, am I audible to you, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to talk about how to analyze the data, how to interpret it, how to present. So how to analyze and how to interpret, we are going to use mean, median, mode. I'll explain that. How to present it, we are going to talk about graphs little later. Today we'll talk about mean, median, mode. Tomorrow we'll talk about graph. Okay? So, yes, Naja. We can say way of arranging, but arrangement is just a small thing. You do much more than that, Naja. You arrange it, then you analyze it, then you get some meaningful information. And we are going to do that today. Okay? So, let's start. Which are the tools to do this? So, one is the mean, one is the median, one is the mode. These are the three important parameters we use to analyze the data and arrive at some important information. Mean, median, mode. You would have seen or read this term a lot. So we are going to use it. I'll tell you how to use it and okay. Let's first talk about mean. Shall I erase this everything? Yes, please.
Isn't there range as well?
Yes, range also comes as part of this only, but mean, median, mode is the main thing. Range is also important. It is some parameter of this, but range also I can put. Very good color. Super. Mean, median, mode, and say range. Actually, then becomes also standard deviation, but I'm not writing because we are not going to do that. It's little higher class. Then also variance. Then also regression. We are not going to talk about it. We are going to talk about this as per your class standard. Okay. Mean, median, mode, and the range. So that will do class interval everything. So let's first talk about what is a mean. How many of you clearly understand the difference between mean, median, mode, and why we use which one? Not about the definition. When to use mean, when to use median, when to use mode, what is the practical significance, what is the real useful life? Anybody knows? No? So, let's say, what is mean? Means depicts the average. I'll tell you what is average means. Or you can say arithmetic mean. Average means what? Let's take example. Gia 8. I say scored. Ice cream written enough. Okay. Gia scored 8, 4, and say in her 5 matches. Some cricket match, some matches, I don't know. Any sports you can take that, okay? Or in her 5 tests, doesn't matter what it is, okay? So this is just the data, right? 8, 4, 5, 7, 8. So how much total she scored? 1 second, Vedant. You want to ask me something?
Oh, I was just saying if I could answer it.
Yes. So wait, because I don't want the numbers. I want to explain why we need it. So Gia scored 8, 4, 5, 7, 6 in her 5 tests. So how much was total score? You had all of them. You did sum of all. Is how much? 8, 12, 17, 24, 30.
30.
How many tests were there?
5.
5 tests. So you have to find out the mean. Mean is that how much is the total sum in how many outcome, how many events, or how many attributes. Like we have seen that 5 tests. So she scored 30 in 5 tests. So that is 6. It means what? On an average, she scored 6 per test, right? So mean or average is 6 per test or 6. So method is simple, right, Vedant? But the idea is what? Why means what means gives you? Means gives you. If suppose tomorrow you predict, seeing Gia's last 5, 10 years performance, how much she can score on average, you know, she scores 6 on an average, so this gives you idea how is the performance. Agree? Now, how this is more important? If I put one more person here, say Najah. Najah scored. Again, don't, it's not a comparison. These are not this Jia and Naja in my class. There's some other Naja and Jia, okay? So don't worry whom I put more or less. It's about just comparing the performance. If I say Naja scored 6, 3, 8, and say, I want to put something which is, say, some number should come round figure. And 3 in her 5 tests, in her 4 tests. Now, what I'm trying to ask you is, just by looking at this number, if you don't compare, if you don't calculate mean at all, can we really find out who is scoring better on average? No, right? We cannot, right, Naja? We cannot do once, right? Because what is happening is, first of all, their scores are different. Secondly, their number of tests are also different. So how can you compare those kind of data? So one of the tools is finding the mean. So for Jia, the mean was this. And for Najha, the mean is, how much is total? 6, 3, 9, 12, 20 out of 4 tests, 5. So now we know mean of Jia and mean of Najha, you can easily compare, right? That is one way why meaning is. It gives you overall how a person or a thing or any item or anything is performing. But it does not mean that if Naja is scoring 5 on an average, that this 5 will be the score on one of the match. No. That's very important. Did you observe that? Did Naja score 5 in any one of that? No. So that is the drawback of the mean. Though her average is 5, but she never scored 5 in any test, right, Naja? See the observation. She never scored 5 in any test, but still mean is 5. What does it mean? Mean does not give you the actual value. Secondly, mean need not be the one of the score in the test. No. For Jia, it is luckily. Her average is 6 and she also scored 6 in one of the tests. That can happen. But 2 aspects. First thing is, the mean, whatever mean you get, it may not necessarily be the one of the score on the data. Second, mean does not give you, it could not predict, it just give the idea of what was the range of performance in terms of a number. No, please ask me. Any question, anyone? So how to find mean? You get sum of all the numbers and divide by total items, right? So can you solve one question, everyone, about mean? Find mean of scores of Rohit in Rohit as follows. So Rohit scored like this: 7, 9, 2. Priyanka joining now. 7, 9, 2, 4, 8. Can you find the mean score of Rohit, everyone?
I have a quick question, sir.
Yes, please, Jia.
Do we add all of them and then divide by the number, like divided by?
Correct. So let me write it. Mean equal to sum of all data, I will say, all data points. We call it data point. Divided by total number of data points. Okay. Priyanka, welcome. You got a little late. Maybe school. Huh, Priyanka? You are on mute. I cannot hear you. Are you able to hear me, Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Good. No, I can hear you. So we start with statistics, Priyanka. First, we are doing mean. So everybody calculate. The mean is nothing but sum of all the data points divided by how many data points we have. So how will we do this, Naja?
So first we will add up all of
Add
the
all of them. 7 plus 9 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. I know your calculator. I will add for you. You tell me the method. 7 and 9, 16, 18, 22, 30. Okay. Now,
Total number data
how
points
many data points we have?
5.
5. So your mean has to be
30 divided by 5, 6.
that. Too easy. Dhruvansh, Jia, Priyanka, Kanak, Vedant, everyone, Mishita. Too easy. Mean is the easiest thing to do. If I give one more data, find mean score of Sekoholi and the score. No, I'm going to put random because this now time I have put something round numbers, but I may not. The scores are 11, 8, 4, 0, 20, 41, 3, 6. Let me put some more. Okay, that's enough. Tell me the mean score. The basic idea of mean is just to give you the average performance.
I didn't mean to send that, sorry.
No worries. Mean is you can give me decimal or you can give me. I'm not sure whether it's coming decimal or this, but you try. Okay, I got answer from Vedant and Mishita. Okay. Everybody, please calculate and tell me what is the mean of 11, 8, 4, 0, 20, 41.
84.
So sum will be 11, 8, 19, 23, 23, 43, 44, 84. Okay. Divided by how many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 14 is the average score or average or mean of this data, right? So in this case, in the mean, you don't have to rearrange. You don't have to do ascending, descending, nothing. Just add them and divide them. It's all cool, very easy, right? Can we do one more question on this? Find mean of 2y, 5y, y, 11y, and 6y. Can you try, everybody? So now I'm putting a little algebra in them. You can always use anything. Mishita says 5y, so fast. Are Mishita, so fast? Good.
Yes.
Mean of 2y, 5y, y, 11y, 6y. Sir, 5y, me too. Yes, Vedant. Yes, Dhruvansh. Kanak, you are there, right?
Yes, sir.
So, add everyone this. 2y and 5y, 7y, 8y, 19y, 25y. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 by 5 is 5. 5y is the mean. Correct? No difference, right, Najat, Dhruvansh, everyone? Priyanka? And if I change the question now, let's see how many of you could do now. Little difficult. I'll put some data here, okay? I'm putting some placeholder. What is the mean of 2a plus 5, 7 minus a? No, this is algebra plus 5a plus try this. Take your time, write your answers. I will wait for everyone to do it. No hurry, but do it correct. Find mean of 2a plus 5, 7 minus a, and 5a minus a. Okay, Mishita? Okay. Let's see others. So, Nanja, what we have to do? We have to add all of them. And you know how to add algebra, right? Nishida, you know that like terms, you add 2a with 5a and subtract a. Same algebra what we already did. Okay, Dhruvansh? Okay, Vedant. So mean. So just to make it easy for all of you, I'm writing here 2a plus 5 plus 7 minus a plus 5a minus 6. Priyanka, unmute.
Yes, sir.
By how many items are there? How many data is there?
Sir, 6.
3 data. Let's say I put the commas. This is one data, right, Priyanka? This is second data. All commas separate is data, right? So now tell everyone, Priyanka, how to add that. First we'll add a's. What is 2a minus a?
1A,
And 1a plus 5a?
6A,
We got 6. Correct? This is for everyone, guys. Who is one? They'll add the numbers. 5 plus 7. 12.
12.
And what is 12 minus 6? 12 minus 6 is 6.
6.
We got 6a plus 6 by 3. No, you still feel difficulty, sir, what to do? Guys, I am going to tell you very easy way. You split the numerator if you want. You write 6a here. You write b plus. You write 6 here. And you divide by 3 both. That is the called splitting the numerator. Okay, Priyanka, Neja, and everyone. What I have done, I split the numerator 2 parts, 6a by 3 and 6 by 3. Cool. This is a different way of doing maths. How you split. So now tell me, Naja, thank you, Priyanka. Naja, 6a divided by 3. What is 6 divided by 3, Naja?
2.
2. And a is there. So 2a plus.
Yes.
What is 6 by 3?
2.
So the final answer is 3. We have used algebra here. First of all, we added all the data points. You all know how to do it. When you add all the data points, you got 6a plus 6, right, Naja? I told you comma separated data points. So total number of data points is 3. So my answer is 6a plus 6 divided by 3. Now how to divide? I split this. Means I'll say 6a by 3 plus 6 by 3. So 6a by 3 we know is 2a. 6a by 3 is 2. So answer is 2a plus. Difficult question, right, everyone? Naja, you can do that. Priyanka, Kanak, everyone can do this kind of question or not? Do you want to try one more question like this? And then we'll do more difficult. Everybody try. Find mean of t plus 1, t plus 2, t plus 3. Tell me the mean of this. Everybody should try. It's all different kind of questions which you all should be able to with a little bit of effort. Very happy all of you are on the screen now. Good. Shall I take one photo, guys, for our remembrance? You allow me. Shall I? So I'll tell you smile and then you smile, okay? So let me stop share. Just put the data because I have to get the full screen to take a photo. So you are on full screen now. When I say 1, 2, 3, I will look at the screen. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me see how it is. I'll send you on the group if you want. Okay, let me see how the photo looks like. Okay, good, not bad. You want to see how it looks like? Let me save it first. Super. Let me save it. What it says. MSM student. Okay. So I'll share. This is how it looks like. Okay, I'll send it. This is how it looks like, guys. Okay. So I'll send it. I'll send it on our group, our what you call broadcast list. Okay. Thank you, everyone. So let's come back to this and tell me what is the mean? So Priyanka explained earlier, Raja explained earlier. This time, who want to explain? Jia. Jia is busy in writing, so Jia will explain. Or Kanak want to explain. Or Vedant. Vedant is raising his hand. Vedant, tell everyone the method.
Okay, so first I added t's.
T plus
So I
1
know that
plus T
there's
plus 2.
three.
I'm just writing for others. Okay.
Yeah. So t plus t plus t is 3t.
Okay. So he said T plus T plus T is 3T, correct?
And then we have to add the numerical values. So 1
1
plus
2
2
plus 3 is good.
plus 3, that's 6.
Good.
And then we know that there's three data, so we have to divide that by 3. 1t or t plus 2.
Again, you split at 3T by 3, 6 by 3, so T plus 2. Now tell me, is everyone 100% comfortable or there is a confusion? Because I will help you. Tell me, everyone can clear 100%? Jia is writing a story like this. Jia, clear hai?
I'm a little confused. So first
I know. Ask me.
we do all the
See,
t's we
how
add.
do we
So
this is one data, this is second data, this is third data. So these three is okay.
then,
So first data plus second data plus third data, correct?
yes.
No, it's just the algebra. How we add? What is T plus T plus T? Or 1T plus 1T plus 1T? 3T, correct?
Yes.
What is remaining? 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much?
6.
So my answer is 3T plus 6 by 3 or not?
Yes.
No, I am going to simplify it. How I simplify? I split the numerator. I'll say 3T by 3 plus 6. I splitted the numerator. Correct or not?
Yes.
So what is 3T by 3? 3 and 3 cancel. How many it is?
D.
What is 6 by 3?
2.
What is final answer?
Okay.
Good. If you would have said T plus 2, I would have asked you what is the confusion then. Okay, good. Everyone good? I'm very happy. You should ask, guys, because the class is for you. So everybody should ask. So everybody can do all this kind of questions easily or not? Let's move one more question on mean, which is different. Let's see. Priyanka, all good? Perfect. If I say, if mean of 4, 7, is 4, find value of y. No, I'll not tell you, first you try it out. I gave you 5 data including the y. And the mean is 4. The mean of this data is 4. Can you find out the missing value y? Try. Same question in reverse way now. So fast, Mishita, okay. So mean of the given data is this, how much is y? Okay, Dhruvansh, okay, Naja, okay, Mishita, so good. So the way we will do is, Kanak, do you want to explain this? The way we'll do is mean equal to add of all 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus y. Correct, Kanak?
Yes, sir.
You add by how many data is there?
5.
5. No, mean is given or not?
No.
Mean
Oh,
is
yeah.
given.
4.
Mean is given as 4. So you can say 4 is equal to this. Now, if you want to simplify, we'll just say 4 equal to, let's add what we got in numerator. 4 plus 7 is 11,
11.
14, 18.
14.
18 plus y, agree?
Yeah.
Y I cannot add, so I keep as it is. Correct, everybody? Correct, all good? So 4 equal to 18 plus y by 5. Correct? So
Yeah.
if you want to get rid of 5, I'll take 5 to this side as multiplication. The quotient becomes 4 times 5. equal to 18 plus y, correct? Chris, we just did the cross multiplication, right, correct?
Yeah.
So 4 into 5 is 20. So 20 equal to 18 plus y. So how much would be y then?
2.
Right. Correct. So it has to be 2. Y is equal to 2. Or if you want to do orally, it's like some of you would have done, you could have said, sir, if mean is 4, if mean is 4, total data is 5. First I'll multiply number of data with 4, I'll get 20, correct? Means that is the shortcut which I do. So my data is 5 and the mean is 4. If I multiply that, I get 20. I mean, I should get 20 as the sum, correct? And then you start seeing, I am getting sum as how much? 18. Means I need 2 more, correct? Whichever way you do. Got it, Naja? And everyone? Yeah. So, one of the very interesting way to find out numbers or average question is, you always try to find sum. And sum is given by mean multiply with data points. How many data points are there? In previous question, sum was not given, right? So, but mean was given. Mean was what? How much? 4. And data point was 5. So, our sum has to be 20. Correct, Jia? Our sum has to be 20. But when we added that, we are getting sum is only 18. Means you need 2 more. So, that is how you should do it. Is everybody clear about mean? Shall we do the median now? So, that is about mean. Mean gives you average performance, average. What is median? How many of you heard about median? Yes, Kanak. Yes, Vedant. Mishita, Jia, Duvansh. Good. Priyanka. So, median. What is median? Who want to tell me? Vedant want to tell us.
From what I remember, it's when you put the data given in order from least to greatest, and like the number in the middle of all that data is the median.
Correct. So, we are going to do that. But why is median? Why median is different from mean? Median means center value. Mean never means center value, correct? Mean is the average. Median is the center value, guys. Mean is not the average. Median is not the average. The center value. For example, if I say the data is 3, 7, 11, the center value is 7, so median is 7. If I say my data is something, 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 any data. This is a big data. How many data are there? How many data points are there, Naja?
So 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how to find out median? Cancel from this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner. Because sir, it's a game. Median is 11. Because we want to center cancel from left and right. But can you cancel it directly? No. You have to rearrange it into ascending or descending order. Yes, Jia, you want to ask something?
Yes. So if you take out the number 5, the last number, and just do 2, 8, 9, 11, 4,
I know what you're trying to say. I'll explain that with an example.
Yes.
I know. I'm
And-
going to explain. I'm going to explain the simple example, same thing. Okay. But first, what I'm saying is median means center value. That's what I'm trying to explain, everybody. I'll come to Jia's question in a moment with the example. So, center value is a median, not the average performance. Center value. How to find the median? How to find median? If you Naja, you can write if you want. First, arrange. You're asking arrange, right? You arrange in this case. In mean, you never arrange. In median, arrange data into ascending or descending order. Okay, your choice. Then cancel from corners till you reach center numbers odd numbers. That's it. Now I'll tell you what happens. Okay, that is what the method to find median. For example, if I give you, you can write, guys, I'll give example till then. For example, if I say find median of 11, 5, 9, 2, and 20. Can you directly cancel it? No. You have to arrange either in ascending or descending. You will say after arranging. So how I am arranging? I am arranging in ascending order. Smallest number 2, then 5, then 9, then 11, then 20. We will take GS question after one more example. So this is how it is. Now you will start cancelling, Priyanka. You will say, sir, I'll cancel 2, I'll cancel 20. I'll cancel 5, I'll cancel 11. Whichever remaining is my median. So simple. Cool, everyone? The median of this data is 9. Oh, I wrote wrong spelling, but you can correct it. Not median, median. Median. Okay. Cool. But now we'll take Gia's question. Sir, what if? If somebody says, or Gia says, sir, this data is not there. You are always trying with the odd numbers, but now I have even number of data points. Yes. So still what we'll do is, we arrange it, say this number is not there. Agree, Gia? We again follow the same process. Listen very carefully. We cancel 2, we cancel 11. If we cancel both 5 and 9, nothing is there. No. These are my center numbers, 5 and 9. No, I cannot have either 5 or 9. So find out the center number between 5 and 9. Which number will be between 5 and 9, exactly middle? So Gia, between 5 and 9, which will be the number?
6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8. And between 6 and 7, 8, which is the middle number?
7.
7 is the median. But then Gia will say, sir, if I have so many numbers, it will be difficult, right?
Yeah.
So what Gia will do is, or what everybody will do is, if you have to find center number, take the first number, take the last number, divide by 2. Tell me how much you get, Gia.
7.
You do that way, you do manual way. Idea is
I
get the
know.
center point, okay?
I know how to do this. I did this in grade 6, but I thought it was multiplication instead of.
No, that is geometric mean. It is not median. It is geometric mean. So let's, is everybody clear? We'll do 3 questions quickly, okay? On median. No questions, Priyanka? Vedant, let's find median of 20, 7, 11, 5, and 12. Tell me, everyone, on chat fast. Median of. When number of data is odd, it's too easy, right? So you arrange them 5, 7, 11, 12, 20. You will say, sir, I'll just cancel. My median is 11. Everybody agree? But now I want to give you 2 interesting questions. This is easy. Median is 11. But if I say find median of 17, 8, 3, and 9. Try. Yeah, everyone. Okay, Mishita. Okay, Dhruvansh. How will you do this, Raja? The method? What's the first step?
First, arrange in ascending or descending order. So 3, 8, 9, and 17.
Correct.
Then the middle numbers are 8 and 9. So we add 8 and 9, which gives us 17.
And then?
And then we divide it by 2.
Correct. Or we can also, we know between 8 and 9, 8 and 5 is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Correct, everybody? 8 and a half. But if I say, guys, find, thank you, Naja, find median of this 4, 88, 32, 16, 6, 16, 75, 77. How will do this, Priyanka? Tell me the method, Priyanka, and we will try. Priyanka, what's the method we'll apply?
Sir, arrange in ascending order.
4, 6, 16, 32, 4, 6, 6, oh sorry, 16 are 2 times, sorry, 16, 4, 6, 16, 16, 32, 77, 88. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Abu?
Sir, then cancel.
So let me cancel. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So median is 16, median is 16?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Thank you. But tell Kanak, if I add one more data point here, which is called 2, then what will Kanak do?
Sorry.
I added one more data point 2 in the end. What will be the median? How will you find median now?
You
We'll put 2 before the data. This is data now.
won't it just be 16?
That's what I'm asking you. The method, not the answer. Yes. So I put 2 here. So you know data becomes like this. And now, really, what to do here, guys? Kanak says 16. Is he correct or not, Dhruvan?
Yes, I think he is correct.
Why she's correct? Explain me how is she correct?
Sir, because 16 plus 16 is equal to 32 and 32 by 2 is 16.
Correct. But otherwise, there is no number between 16 and 16. It's 16 only. Correct. So the median of this is 16. Cool, everyone? If I ask you to find median of, thank you, Kanak and Dhruvansh. Find median of 4x, 5x, x is a positive number, okay? 9x, 3x, 8x, and x. Can you find median of these guys? X is a positive number, okay? This will be explained by Mishita. She didn't spoken today. She is around 7, haven't spoken today. Mishita, what's the method we'll apply? And she is answering all the questions in 5 seconds. Why, Mishita? You have a deadline of 5 seconds. Tell me, unmute and tell me the method to all of us. Unmute. You're on mute.
So you first have to order it all in the order. So it will be x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 8x, 9x. And then, oh, wait, oh.
Something I missed? You told me, so I missed it.
No, a 5x as well. And
Now?
then in the middle, you cross out the corners on the sides, and then in the middle there's 4x and 5x remaining. So you add 4x and 5x and you get 9x, and then you have to divide it by 2.
2.
And 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. So 4.5x.
Very nice. I know you will explain completely. I know you. That's why. Good. Too easy. Jia, Vedant, Dhruvan. Mean, median. Median is more easy. Median is more easier than mean. Let's see what else we can do. Median. Medians are easy question. That's why there's nothing much we can. Let's talk about mode and then we'll try to find one question with all of them. What is a mode? Who will tell me what is a mode? Who will explain me what is a mode, please? Just, I'll take one call till they tell me. I'll just tell that I'm in the class. Hello? Shall I call you back? I'm just a class, after class, please. Okay, I'll call you after 6 p.m. Okay? Thank you. Tell me, what is a mode? Yes, Vedant.
It's the number that occurs the most out of the data set. So like in an example, like 1, 2, 3, 3, out of that data, 3 occurred more than
Most
once.
popular or most observed data, right? Mode. See, mean was about averages. Median is about center point. Mode is about most observed. So before we do the mathematics of mode, can anybody think of practical example why mode is required? Tell me. Any practical significance from your life? You can give me real example why mode is useful. Yes, Naja.
Sir, if there is like a grocery store or anything, then mode is the most absurd data. So there, if it's like they can know the
This is
most
the most
absurd
popular
data,
product or most
and then they can
never
increase.
in a particular thing, right, Naja? Very good, Naja. Even I was seeing the same example. Okay, one thing I want to tell you about this class, I am really impressed. You know what? This is the class where everybody, whether it's Kanak or Priyanka or Mishita or Tia or Naja or Dhruvan and Vedant, it's a very disciplined class. You know what? Everybody wait for their turn after raising. I just saw Naja, right? You raise your hand and wait. I really love this class. You are one of the best class. Very disciplined, and you generally I see the other classes, 3 or 4 people start speaking together, and I have to say, please, please, please wait. But this class is amazing. You all are like very disciplined, very, very, what should you call? Nice attitude. So keep it up, guys. This is very nice. Okay. But don't hesitate to ask questions. I always feel ask any question. Okay. The more question you ask, the better. Okay. So thank you for being such a nice class. And Najat, good. Very good example. Any other example anyone want to give? Think about it. Give me some nice, funny examples where mode can be useful. Think.
A funny example I can give
Yes.
is, let's say there are three flavors of ice cream I like,
I know
and
you will tell ice cream.
chocolate and chocolate is the most, like, chocolate is my favorite one, so that would be mode because it's like the most popular and most like absorbed data, I guess.
Right. So like Kanak is doing a study on Jia. So she took the data of Jia, what are ice cream she's eating on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Monday morning, Monday afternoon, Monday evening, Monday night, Tuesday morning. So she took all the data of Jia. And then she found out, sir, she loves chocolate ice cream. Because there's the most, mode is the highest. Good, very good, Jia. So the mode is the most popular, the most easy way to do. Right, Mishita, you want to share something? She is laughing. Huh, Mishita? You want to share your example? No? Okay. So, if I say how to find mode, this is very easy. Like if I say find mode of 3, 9, 5, 11, 5, 4, 5, 7, 10. You can arrange also. If you arrange, it's better. But if you don't arrange, also you can find out. To make it simple, you arrange all in one order and then see which number is repeating the maximum number. So I can say 3, then I can say 4, they can say 5, 5, 5. You know the answer what I'm trying to say. It is a 7, 9, 10 and 11. So which is the mode here, the words?
4, 5.
5. Most popular or most frequent data is the mode. So you may ask some questions, counter question on this. I'm expecting some questions from here. Any question here? I expect at least 1 or 2 questions. Yes, Naja.
Sir, if like, for example, after 3 and then there is double 4, there is double 5 also. So in that case,
What Naja is going to ask is, okay, I'll explain. So Naja is asking, sir, if your data was, suppose I modify the data to become 4 and say this become also 4. That is what question Naja is. I'll come to you, Jia. So then I have 3, 4, 5, 5. I have which number is gone? 10 is gone and 9 is gone. Instead of that, correct? So now you will say, sir, the modes are 4 and 5. It is a multi-modal thing. Agree? So there is one more question. Jia, you want to ask something? Or asking same thing?
I was asking the same thing.
Same thing. Anybody want to ask me before that? I ask one more question myself. Anybody want to ask any more question on this? What if my data was like this? So Priyanka joining again. 3, 4, 5, 11, 12, 6.5, 18, and 100. What is the mode of this, guys?
There is none.
You will say no. So there are 3 cases. Either you can find a unique mode, or you can find multiple mode, you can multi-modal, or you'll say no mode. Correct? Priyanka, welcome. Hope you have seen the mode thing which I explained. I don't know when did you get disconnected.
Sir, I have disconnected that time.
तो mode क्या होता है?
Sir, most popular data.
For example, जैसे प्रियंका, ठीक है, तो प्रियंका का example देते हैं. So people are giving Priyanka example. Like, you know, Priyanka likes what? For example, say Priyanka likes dresses. So Priyanka bought last week some 5 green dresses, 4 red dresses, 3 pink dresses, 7 white dresses. So the point is what? We are trying to find what is the mode. So mode is the most frequent. She is buying more white dresses. So white is the 7. He bought 7 white color dresses. So 7 is the mode. Correct? Mode is about the most frequent. So 3 conditions are there. Most frequent. If it's not a single mode, then double mode, or it can say multi-modal, 2 mode, 3 mode, or it is no mode. Any question? So what I want you to do before we close, find mean. You will take your time and then write answer. Median in mode of. The data is 11, 4, 6, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll give 8 data, okay? 2 and 9. Not 9. 6. Try this race. Find mean, median, and mode of this data. It's easy, but still do unpack. Tell me, is it easy topic or not? Very easy. But this is all unclassified data or no class. I'll tell you about class interval little later because this is in higher grades. I'll give little ideas, but this is more a ungrouped data. And we'll come to range also. Right? Kanak has built the range, so we'll do Kanak also, range also. But first, everybody find out mean, median, mode of the above data. And let's see how many of you get it absolutely correct. let's see whether we have answers. Okay, Vedant and Mr. Goat. All the answers. Let's wait for others. Their answers are matching. Good. Which was most easiest one, Vedant?
For me,
Yes,
the mode.
the most easiest. Okay.
Yeah.
Everybody getting it? Oh, we have Dhruvan also gave. Good. Who is trying? Priyanka, Maja, please. And then I'll give you one of another thing which will say, sir, why you didn't told you earlier? But I'll tell you later. Okay. First, let's find out. Mode is none. Naja, mode is none. Check the data again. Okay, Priyanka. So everybody, we are getting mean as, let me check. 11, 15, 21, 24, 29, 36, 38, 44, 44 by how much we have data? 8, right? 44 by 8. 8, 5, 40, 40. 5.5. Perfect. Oh, okay, Naja. Sorry. So 5.5. No problem. But you know the Naja, what to do. Median 2, 3, 4, and 6 goes. No, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me remove the big data. 11 and 7 goes. 11 and 7. No, 11 and 7 goes from this side. 2 and 3 goes from this side. Median is 5. Correct, everybody? Or 5.5. How many data is there? 8 data. You know, best way is arranging. You know, otherwise it's too confusing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 are 2. Agree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So between 5 and 6. 5.5. And mode is 6. Correct, everybody?
I have a question, sir.
Ask me, please.
So wouldn't the medium be 6?
Why? How many data is there?
8.
So let's see. I think we cancel wrongly. This 2 and 11 goes.
Yeah.
3 and 7 goes. Tell me now.
What did I?
First count number of data. That is the easy way. You wrote 7 data, 8 data, or 9 data.
I wrote 8 data.
So check the finally 5 and 6 are remaining or not.
There's only 6 remaining for me.
Read out your data after arranging, please. Read from your
Okay.
notebook. Read from your notebook. Read from your notebook. 2, 3. Read out.
3, 4.
So starting is 2, right?
5. Yeah, 6, 6, 7, 11.
How you cancel? 2 and 11, correct?
Yes.
3 and 7.
2 and 11, 3 and 7.
4 and 1 of the 6.
5. Oh, sorry. I did I took out the 5 by accident.
No problem. So 5.5. Mode is 6, right, Naja? Everyone good? No, I'm going to tell you something very interesting. Which you will say, sir, you should have told earlier. There is a relation between mean, median, and mode. Write down everybody this. Mode equal to, let me write in pink. Mode equal to 3 times of median. 3 times median minus 2 times of mean. So if you find any two data also, you can find third just by this. Let's check here. 3 times, how much median we got? 5.5 minus 2 times how much mean we got? 5.5. If I take 5.5 common, no. Why is happening like this? Having something wrong? 3 times the median and 2 times the mean. I am doing it wrong something, guys. 3 into median minus 2. Yes,
So because they're separate, I think because you have to minus them both. I don't think you can.
you can.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is something, okay. Maybe because, but this is the definition, okay. Maybe some median we got 5.5, mean we got 5.5, mode we got 6. Actually, this is definition works for all the group data. For ungrouped, I will check. For all the group data, if you have to find out, you can just find out. For a moderately skewed distribution, okay. The point is, this is happening for moderately. So that is beyond your distribution. When you talk about distribution, you know what is skewed distribution, what is not skewed distribution. But this definition holds good where it is moderately skewed distribution. Means the distribution is little bit non-uniform. But if it is too much non-uniform, like our distribution is too much uniform, 11 is the corner value, right? That's why this rule is not one. Okay? So I'll give you some very nice data where you can apply this. Let's try. Suppose I give a very nice data which is not skewed too much. Let's take a small data, okay? Let's say find mean, median, mode of. This is the last question before we close. We already overshooting the time, but let's do very fast, okay? Of. If I give data as 4, 5, 6. What is the mean, guys? What is the median, guys? What is the mode, guys? Okay, there is no mode. So let me get it some, say 5, 5, 5. Mode is 5. Mean is 5, 10, 14 divided by 3. Correct? That's what you're saying, Mishita?
Yeah, do we round it?
Sorry? No,
Do
we
we
will not round. Ideally, we should not round it, but let it keep it just take approximate. 12, how much is there? 20? Correct? Median is 5. Agree? So now using the median and mode, we'll try to mean from the same this formula, okay? Just to get approximate. Because it will be approximated. So if we apply this formula to find the mean, not the median and mode, just to make it easy for us. Mode is 5 equal to 3 times median 5 minus 2 times mean. So what happens is 5 equal to 15 minus 2 times mean, or 2 times mean equal to, let me make it. So 2 times mean equal to 15 minus 5, 10. Correct? So mean equal to approximately 5. And we are getting 4.67. Almost there, right? But this is all depending on how much skewed data is. But data is huge, right? Very huge. We are taking only 3 samples, 5 samples. That's why. When you take a lot of samples, 10, 20, 100, 500, then this becomes more accurate. Okay? So example, you don't have to use it, but you should know the relation between mode and median. Any question before we close? No? So that's all for mean, median, mode. Tomorrow we're going to talk about graphs, maybe how to use this graphs, and we are going to probability also next week. Probability, very interesting topic. Okay, probability. But first we'll do graphs next tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice time. See you tomorrow, everyone.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye.